Hello friends, hope you're doing great today. So today I am back with my another tutorial wherein I would be sharing with you the steps to list an app in Microsoft App Source. So before listing an app in Microsoft App Source, we need to create a package which includes a managed solution, content.xml, input.xml, logos, images, and the license terms and condition. You can consider about watching my previous video wherein I have shared with you the steps to create a package to be uploaded on Microsoft App Source. So once we have created the package, we need to create an offer in Microsoft App Source portal, and I would be sharing my screen for the detailed steps. It's always advisable so as to be ready with all these prerequisites, which includes the category and the business category under which you want to list your app, the legal terms and conditions for using your app, the description, which should be always clear and concise so that the person who is trying to download the app gets a clear image about it, the search keywords which should be used so as to reflect your app or searchable, links for help and privacy so that the user can reach you up for any help regarding it, the logos in two sizes, one is 216 pixels and another is 32 pixels. An HTML file which we have created in our package again can be used here so as to share the license terms and conditions, the input.xml, and an icon file of 32 cross 32 pixels which would be shown in your Microsoft App Source. Apart from that, it's always advisable so as to create a video tutorial for any of the configurations which needs to be undertaken after installing the app, the list of the markets where we want to target the app for being downloaded, and if needed we can create some certain PDF content, PDF material which can be downloaded by the user after downloading the app in the Dynamics CRM. I am moving ahead with sharing my screen so as to share with you the detailed steps. So first thing, we need to go to your commercial marketplace. Here create an offer. In offer we need to select Microsoft Customer Engagement. Offer ID can be anything as per your need and the requirement, or anything. Let's say I am uploading a model driven app. Now we would be on this screen with setup details. Would you like to manage your app license through Microsoft? So for now I am listing it as a free app, but you can list it as a trial app or a contact me app. If we enable the test driven app, then this app would be free for a user to be used for a specific duration of time, after which they need to pay you so as to use the app. Now here we have the customer leads. So I will be connecting to my Dynamics CRM instance. I need to share the email ID of mine. So these details has to be filled in here because whenever an app would be downloaded by the user, the details would be shared with you in your lead management system so that you can get in touch with the business as per their requirements. So I have filled my details and have connected to my Dynamics CRM instance. Saved as a draft. Now I am moving to the next page, which means the properties. In properties I need to select the products in which this particular app can be helpful for my business, the app version, the terms and condition. So you can simply copy paste the terms and conditions of the same from your HTML page which you have created in past. Offer listing. So in here we need to share the description of the app, the keywords, the help link, support person, support contact support person, supporting documents, marketplace media, the icon, the screenshot, etc. So let me upload all these. Filling in all the required information, it has been saved successfully. Now let's select the availability. So in here we need to select the markets which we are targeting for our app to be available for the users. So I am selecting Afghanistan and Algeria. Now I am moving towards the technical configurations of the same. So the application URL, if you want to have the URL of your package location. So this is one of the most important. Over here we need to share the location of our Azure blob where we have uploaded our app. So for now I am giving it a random URL. And now if you want to co-sell your app with Microsoft, then you can opt for this particular thing. For this I would be creating a separate video. And if you have more content like the video content, the PDF contents, etc., then you can drag and drop it here, and we can simply click on review and publish. Once you have gone through all these tabs, have fulfilled all the requirements and have uploaded all the things, your app would be ready for review and publish. And once the same is published, it would be submitted to Team Microsoft, wherein it would go under, where it would be undergoing through necessary checks. The team would be getting in touch with you for any of the modifications which are required on top of it. And once all the things are ready, then it would be go ahead by the team and your app would be soon listed on the Microsoft App Source. Thank you. Have a great day. Please feel free to reach me over my email for any further clarifications or queries.